Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Stremio. So, what is Stremio? Stremio is a streaming application similar to Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Vudu. The main difference is that Stremio allows you to stream not only movies and TV shows, but also live TV and even YouTube channels, all in one place. In this part, I'll show you how to download and install Stremio. I'm using the Windows version, so I downloaded the installer available for Windows. Once the download is complete, just run the installer. After the installation finishes, click on Finish, and the program will start running. When prompted, click Allow to give the app access to both public and private networks. This is necessary for Stremio to work properly. Now let's head over to Stremio. As you can see, the app is now open. The first thing you need to do is log in or register an account. Simply accept the terms and conditions. Accepting marketing emails is optional, so you can skip that if you want. Once logged in, you'll see what you can watch on Stremio. You'll find popular movies and popular series displayed on the home screen. Some content may require additional setup before it becomes available. You can also customize your experience by setting your preferred language, including the interface language and subtitle language. Just head over to the settings menu and explore the available options so you can adjust everything to your liking and get the best possible experience. Stremio also offers helpful shortcuts that make navigation easier and help you access content more quickly. Another important feature is add-ons. Add-ons can really enhance your Stremio experience. They allow you to watch public domain movies, access your favorite YouTube channels, and much more. Installing add-ons is optional, and you can choose only the ones you want. I'm just showing you what's possible with Stremio so you can fully experience what the platform has to offer. That's all I need to show you for now. This is how you can use Stremio. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.